Welcome to part 3 of our demo tutorial for the Mach 3 Perspective Clone Brush. In this section, we will be demonstrating advanced techniques for making lighting corrections and adjusting the scale of items in an image. To begin, let's start with an image in Photoshop. To open the tool, we click on the Filter drop-down menu and choose Mach 3 Perspective Clone Brush. The dialog box will open, and we can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out and adjust the canvas size. Now let's take a look at how our lighting correction feature works. For this example, we want to see how this building would realistically look if we were to carry this facade over to the adjacent side here. To begin, we specify our source and destination planes in the perspective window as usual. We then move to the paint window to indicate our source and destination points. We can use the same point for both, right along the ridge. In this example, notice how direct light is falling on the left side of the building. When we clone brush from the dark facade to the sunny facade, we lose the lighting information and the image looks less realistic. Luckily, we can use the lighting correction tool to adjust this. Click on the Light tab and enable light correction. Next, we Alt-drag to take a sample from the source area, then drag to indicate the destination area. It's important that we choose two areas that have the same texture but different lighting information. We would have been less successful, for example, if we had designated the source as the window and the destination the brick surface. Now that we've corrected for lighting, we can return to the paint window and resume clone brushing. Now you can see that the image looks much more realistic. Now let's take a look at how the scaling feature works. The scaling feature gives the user the ability to adjust the relative scale of items when clone brushing. As an example, let's enlarge the windows on the left facade of the building. To begin, we click on the Scale tab and enable Scale Correction. First, we indicate how much and in what direction we would like the scale to change. To accomplish this, we can use the cursor to draw a line the length of the original window in the source plane. Then we move to the destination plane and draw a line the length that we would like the window to appear. Now, our scale has been changed in the destination window. We can return to the paint window to resume clone brushing. The windows are now enlarged and our project is complete. We can now click OK and return to the Photoshop window. We hope you found this demonstration helpful, and as always, we welcome your feedback.